be on my way now. You just give me a...
Yeah guys, I'll give you a bit of, well, my eyes are a bit red. So I'll give you a bit of explanation behind the madness. I know I haven't posted anything for a while now, so I know my subscribers, my fan is absolutely mad, you know what I mean? The amount of messages I get off Instagram and YouTube as well, saying when I'm gonna post another video. I'm a bit annoyed as well because, you know what I mean, you know, I should have been more consistent with my posts and stuff like that. So the consistency ain't really there as much, you know what I mean, because of work strand and everything. However, I can't use that as a bloody excuse, yeah. But for the past couple of weeks I was away. I was over in Germany. If you follow my Instagram, you will see what I was up to. You know, so I went for my niece, you know, she got married. It was a fab time, really enjoyed the wedding, you know what I mean? I haven't been to a wedding like, oh gosh, like ages. So it was really good, you know what I mean? I videoed the whole thing and I also made a video as well, so yeah, that was dope. For the past week, last week, we have a leaving due for someone who spent like over 30+ years in the army. Just listening to what he was saying, like his speech, it was really sad, you know. It was really sad to see him go because he's a really nice person, you know. I can't say name who this person is. Listening to what he was saying, you know what I mean, like, you know, what you have learned throughout, you know what I mean, his time spent in the army and the friends he met throughout. Looking back on that, I don't want to be like that when I'm leaving. It's going to be tough, but you know what I mean, I want to be on the happy side, and that's the thing. Someone said something very important today, and they said to me, like, whatever trade you have or hobby you have, without that trade or hobby, what are you? You know? And when he said that, you know what I mean, that was crazy to think about. So when I want to put stuff like this in my context of after the army, what's next? And that's the thing what I ask a lot of people, and even high-ranking majors, whatever. And when I ask this question, like, a lot of them can't even answer it, you know, because, you know, they spend their whole entire time throughout the army. And that's the only thing they know, you know. And today you're 22 years plus, you know, army wise, and you don't know nothing on Civil Street, or maybe your job role, what you're doing now, it's not really compatible, or he ain't gonna pay as much as all we thought you would get on Civil Street. So a lot of them here who serving, like, don't know what the drive next, what they're gonna do. And yeah, it's you know, it's something will really, you know what I mean, humble you, you know what I mean, it make you have to think really hard. But, you know what I mean, my drive, my passion is this, media, you know what I mean, I love doing what I do, and, you know what I mean, I see a lot of way how I can make, you know, input, you know, in what we do, you know, physical training wise, you know, or whatever, you know, a lot of people try to stop the flow, but, you know what I mean, I'm just keep pushing on. Well guys, not to bore you too much, but this is me guys, this is gonna be my last vlog. I'm leaving, so yeah, tough times, you know what I mean. I know I haven't really explained much why the reason why I'm leaving, but hopefully in my next vlog you will see the reason why. And yeah, I'll explain all the madness in my next vlog. So this is gonna be my last video here for a while guys, and yeah, I'm leaving. That's it for me. Anyway, the curtain is drawn or closed or whatever you want to call it. Hope you guys enjoy this video I made for my mate wedding, and yeah, first one I've done, something different. Hope you like it. Drop a comment, blah blah blah, and I'll see you in my next vlog. Peace.
goes my heart beating, 'cause you are the reason I'm losing my sleep. Please come back now.
There goes my mind erasing, and you are the reason that I'm still breathing. I'm hopeless now.
I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean
Just to be with you and fix what I've broken.
Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason.
There goes my hand shaking, and you are the reason my heart keeps bleeding. I need you now.
If I could turn back the clock, I'd make sure the light defeated the dark. I'd spend every hour of every day keeping you safe, and I'd climb every mountain and swim every ocean just to be with you and fix what I've broken. Oh, 'cause I need you to see that you are the reason. I don't wanna fight no more. I don't wanna hurt no more. I don't wanna cry no more. Come back, I need you to reason. Closer, just a little closer now. Come a little closer. I need you to hold me tonight. I'd climb every mountain
And swim every ocean
just to be with you and fix what I've broken. 'Cause I need you to